Guess what? I've done some shopping. I went to Sainsbury's. They got 20% off clothing over this weekend because it's bank holiday weekend. I like to call this one the kind of super clothing supermarket weekend because let's face it, everyone has 20%, 25% off. I think the Tesco had like the club card one on as well, like 25% off. But the things in Sainsbury's at the moment have been absolutely killing it, and there's been a few things I've wanted, so I've held out and I've got them. Yes, I have. Now, things I have got in a little bit of a different sizing that I would have otherwise gone for, but this was kind of all they had left of what I wanted. So first up, this little denim gilet. Look at this. This is very 70s and Mochi inspired. Do you know that brand? Love it. They used to have these little frilly edged like waistcoats and stuff in there. Look how cute that is. So this also came in pink, and I think it came in green as well, but this one here was in the sale. So it was £25 and then it had 30% off. So I think it was like £17 or something. And then obviously the 20% off on top of that. So I don't know how much that makes it, but it was cheaper, okay? So I thought I would just do a try on haul and we'll just get straight on into it. So I hope you're all well. How's it going? My first week at my new job, I went ahead this week. I had a really good time, and let's face it, it's made me feel really fulfilled and I've come home happy. The first day was a little bit of a struggle, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, we made it through. Anyway, so onto the denim gilet. I do have shorts on. These are little shorts from Primark actually. I got these a couple of years ago, but I think they always do little ones like this. They're just 100% cotton ones with like a drawstring waist. And yeah, this matches pretty well actually. It's almost identical in colour. So I was worried that this will be a little bit too big. Oh, it might be. Oh, my mic, sorry about that. But the problem that I have is I have boobs. So sometimes they don't fit around the boobs. That does fit, but oh, that's quite gapey, isn't it? I wanted this to be fitted. But this is always the trouble that I have. So I almost need to like take it in down here, like taper it in. I could do that, couldn't I? Like taper it in down the bottom and then it will still fit around the boobs. I think I needed this size around. So yeah, this is the large. For reference, like boobs, I'm typically like a 34E, which is quite an annoying size to fit actually. Like it tends to sell a lot of bras, like when you're going bra shopping and you're like, oh, I need that size. It's like the one size that's never there. I don't know if it's because they don't make a lot of them or what, but or if they make loads and people buy that size a lot, but yeah. Oh, this is quite big. Oh, that's really disappointing. Really love this, but the frills sit nice on the shoulder, which is where I want it. Like I said, I probably can do something about that. I'd have to take it in quite a lot down this seam, but I think that is actually doable. And then I do have room for the boobies as well. So if you're buying this, I'd probably say size down if you wanted it fitted. I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna keep this. This is nice. It's really nice quality and everything, to be honest. 100% cotton, yeah, beautiful. I do want that to work though, so I might actually take that in just down that seam and just taper it in. That's something I typically have to do anyway. Does anyone else find if they have like a bit of a different shaped body or different heights, you have to learn the art of sewing because otherwise things are just not gonna fit right forever. But yeah, that's lovely. I would call that a win, even though it feels like the wrong size. Oh, here's my receipt. So that cost, yeah, £17.50 it was. And then I got 20% off on top of that. Next in my bag, oh, this again was something that I wanted, but they didn't have the size quite that I wanted. I wanted a large. This is the extra large. With tops, I typically like things to be really oversized. Like I'm a person who will buy a t-shirt in a size like 22, 24, just to be like really oversized. I like to be drowning in my tops, which is kind of ironic today because I'm wearing this tight one, but there's this yellow pastel jumper. This is 100% cotton, which is what I like. I don't really like buying polyester because I'm trying to get polyester out of my wardrobe. I just don't think it's good to have your body wrapped up in plastic, as weird as that may sound. And I just think things last longer when they're cotton and stuff, but this is 100% cotton, which I really, really liked. They also had this in a pink as well. And I actually had my eye on a Nike jumper in this color and it was like £55. So I thought when I seen this a couple of weeks ago on someone else's haul, I was like, I need that. And yeah, they only had extra small or this one in extra large. And I thought, I like big size clothing anyway, so let's give it a go. Has all these like raw edges on, which I quite like. Can you see that? Like, oh, just adds a bit of detail, gives me like Free People vibes a little bit with that. So really liking that. Let's get this on. Oh, actually, this is probably the size that I would buy. Yeah, nice. So it's got quite long arms. I like that, covers up my hands. I like it to come down to like knuckle height, to be honest. Oh yeah, this would probably be good in like your normal size if you don't like too bigger things. This is typically the size that I would buy. Actually, really happy with that. I like it so that my sweater is a part of me, like my body's in there and then I've got all this extra room. Oh, lovely. Oh, I'm really happy with this. Yes, I'm loving the buttery yellow. I'm so glad it's made a bit of a comeback. I typically buy things in this colour from charity shops over the past couple of years because like lots of places haven't been making things in this colour and I'm just so glad it's back. Like this is my favourite colour since childhood. Like my old school uniform used to be yellow and I just feel so nostalgic when I put yellow on. So yeah, it has these little slit details down here. I quite like that, bit extra. Yeah, lovely. Gorgeous bit of pipe in there. This is really nice. And again, it's got that like raw kind of texture detail along the bottom there too. Can you see that? Winner, winner. Like I said, this was in a pink, possibly in a green, but definitely in a pink. Because I was like, oh, do I just buy that? But actually, really happy with this size. Extra large. Like I said, typically I'm like a 12 to 14 at the moment. So yeah, make of that as you will. I never buy things in the right size though, which is why I typically don't do clothing hauls. And I also typically don't buy new clothes. But this, again, with my receipt, this was £18. This is like new in store, like the new stock and everything wasn't in the sale. And then it got 20% off through the sale. That 20% off, I think they said is till Tuesday. So get a move on, get buying. I'm going to be uploading this on the Saturday I film it. So if you're watching this, when I upload it, get yourself to Sainsbury's, you know? Buy yourself some new stuff. This is gorgeous. Love this. Okay, next up, a thing I typically wouldn't buy this size. This is a medium, and with t-shirts, like I said, I tend to buy size 22s, 24s. Like, I like them drowning. My favorite t-shirt, like sleeve length, is to the elbow. I like them to be just hanging off me, but I love this t-shirt. It's an oversized fit, so I thought it wouldn't be too bad, but it's the Amalfi one. You know, the one with the lobster. I've been seeing this all over Instagram. £14 this is anyway. The t-shirt itself feels really nice. Check the composition and I'm pretty sure, yep, 100% cotton. It's like a heavyweight cotton, this one, with the chunky ribbed neck. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Oh, lovely, jubbly. And yeah, just this print on there. The lobster, I just think that's so nice. Like I said, this is a medium. I'm kind of like thing to how this will fit. Should I take this top off? I should. Let me put this on a second. There we go, it's on. So it's definitely an oversized fit. I probably would have liked it in like an extra large. I'm not gonna lie, even though it is oversized, like it's not fitted by any means. It's still oversized fitting. Tuck it up. I like it. This is probably what I would call like the smallest size that I would get. The medium probably is my typical size, and it definitely does have that cool oversized look. I just don't feel like I'm drowning on it. Maybe that's probably more flattering for me, but I love this lobster. It's so cute. And yeah, it was literally the last one in the store, so I think it's good still. What do you think? The lobster. Is it good? Is it a vibe? I think it's very holiday-esque, and I am going on holiday this year, so yeah. It's good, isn't it? Please tell me it's good. What do you think about this fit? Don't know if it's a bit tight for me. I don't know. I think it looks cute. I like it. I like it. It's okay. It's saved by the fact that it is so oversized. So if you like this sort of fit, this is the size to get. Online, this was just impossible to track down. It was just, if you typed in white Amalfi t-shirt, it did come up for a while, but yeah. Is this a winner? I think this is a winner. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I like it. Amalfi Coast lobster. Yeah, I think this is okay. All right, next up, not so exciting, but still pretty good. Just a sports top. This is from the OT Mabuse range. Really, really like this range, actually. It feels great. These are polyester, and like I said, it is something that I'm kind of not buying, but this feels so great, and it's just something I need for like doing hikes and stuff. I've got a big one planned. I'm not gonna lie, I need something thinner. So I thought I'd just pick this up because it was 70% off. It was £10 anyway, so £3, and then obviously 20% off of that. So like £2.50 for this. What's that? It's probably like £2.60 actually, but yeah, my size, medium again, probably a bit oversized to be honest. Shall we put it on? Why not? But this is the range. They have a really, really nice lemon pair of shorts in this as well. which I'm very tempted to get. But like I said, I was trying to avoid polyester. But yeah, I might have to go back and get those. This feels incredible. If you're in there, feel the range. Yeah, 88% polyester, 12% elastane from the Reactive OT Mabuse range. I love OT, she's so cute, isn't she? But yeah, I'll try this on. There we go, just a nice little vestie. Look at that. Give you a 360. Plenty of room in here. Look how loose this is. Perfect. You could tuck it in to your running shorts or whatever. You got loads of room. This feels great. So stretchy. Look at that. Not more I can really say about it. It's a running top. I don't run, but I do walk now. So yeah, I did have a lovely walk this morning. Waterfalls and everything. It was wonderful. The last 3 days, I'll be doing 22,000 steps. Like, I don't know who I think I am, but it's what I've been doing. Anyway, the last thing I have are these joggers, wide leg joggers. I'm not a wide leg girly, but I thought I'd give these a go because I loved the colour on these. They've got that kind of detail down the front and everything. And like I said, I'm going on a few trips and I like to have new joggers for the plane. And these just, they looked like they would be comfy. I think that they'll be a bit of a vibe with the t-shirt, if I'm honest. So maybe I'll put the t-shirt back on and try these, or maybe just my black top back on, I don't know, but look at them. Aren't they lovely? Pockets and everything, and again, 100% cotton. So these were £20 originally, and then they had 30% off as well, so they were down to 14, and then 20% off. An absolute steal. So the like Sainsbury's kind of like 20% off, comes off of all sale items as well, which is a bug. There's so many nice things in there. But yeah, they had a matching jacket to this as well, but I was like, I don't need the jacket, I just wanted the joggers. So I thought I'd give them a go. I picked them up in a medium, so let's try them on. Do you know what? I don't know if I like them being that wide leg. Ew. But do I like them? Do they look way too big on my legs? Well, I'll watch this back. I don't feel comfortable having something that loose. I typically like joggers when they have the elastic on the bottom, so I thought I'd try them, but I don't think that's doing me much favours. I also feel like it's clinging to my bottom stomach. Got a little bit here, but yeah, I don't think that's doing me much good. I don't think I like that. Oh, that's a loser, isn't it? Yeah, this just feels like too much fabric. I don't know how people wear like those stripy trousers and look really cool, or like people wear barrel leg jeans. I feel too like exposed, like I don't have anything on my bottom body. I don't know. Or maybe I'll look back at this footage and be like, oh yeah, they look quite nice. I don't feel like they look nice though. They feel like nice material. Maybe I ought to take these ones back. I'm not feeling that. Oh, that's a bummer to end on, isn't it? But yeah, that's all the things I bought in Sainsbury's. I'd definitely check them out. I might go to Tesco's in a bit and see what they've got in. Maybe they've got some joggers. Just keep my eye out on the supermarket weekend. But yeah, there's those. Oh, the colour's really nice. It's just, I don't like the fact that they just sit on my tummy like that. And I don't like yeah, I feel like I could fit about 10 billion of my legs in there. They did say wide fit. It was worth a go, but definitely more of an elasticated cuff type person. Love the lobster t-shirt, love the Reactive, love the fit of the yellow jumper, and then the denim jacket, maybe just some tweaking in. If I do that though, I'll keep you updated. I'll add it to my productive list. Next video I think will be either another haul or something. I don't know. I'm just going to take you along for the ride. There's no rhyme or reason with this channel. I'm just going to take it as it comes. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know if you liked any of these pieces. If you have your eye on anything, let me know because I would love to check them out. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you very soon for another video.